In this video, we have this question we are to solve to find x. Alright, the question said if 3245 base 6 is equal to x base 9, find x. Alright, now when you see a question like this, don't be worried, don't panic, don't be scared. This thing is simply telling you to convert 3245, that's 3245 base 6, to a number which will be in base what? 9. So the idea in this question is simple. We are converting from base 6 to base what? 9. Now these are two bases which is not base 10. So all we are going to do is to repeat the same procedure what we did in question 1. Okay, it's simple. Remember, there are always two steps in solving a problem like this when you are converting from one base to another base which is not base 10. So here we are going to convert from base 6 to base 9. First, we would convert this number from base 6 to base 10. Then second, we will now convert the answer we will get in base 10. We will now convert it to base what? 9. Alright, let us do this, okay? Get set. Solution. I am going to be a bit fast here. Is that okay? Because the process is quite simple and we've explained that. Now the question given to us is to convert 3245 base 6 to a number which is going to be in base 9, but we don't know that number. Are you getting? So what do we do? First, we convert from base 6 to base 10. That's the first thing. Okay? Converting to base 10. So convert from base 6 to base 10. From base 6 to base 10. So how do we do the conversion? Remember, successive expansion. Alright? Successive expansion on this base. But first, we are going to grade the power. 3, 2, 4, 5. This is going to be power 0 because this is units. It's going to be 0. This is 10, so the power is 100. The power is 2. 1000, the power is 3. Okay? Then this is in base 6. So we're now going to have 3 times 6. 3 times 6 to the power of 3. 3 times 6 to the power of 3 plus 2 times this base 6. And this 2, the power is 2, you know. So to power 2. Then plus, we'll come to this 4 times this base. 4 times 6 to power 1. And then the last is going to be plus 5 times 6. 5 times 6 to power 0. Now, if we work this out, what would it give to us? 3, 2, 4, 5 base 6 will now be equal to 6 raised to power 3. 6 raised to power 3 is 6 times 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. So you're going to do that 36 times another 6. Is that okay? See why I told you how important your multiplication is. So let's work it out and see. 6 times 6 will give us 36. Write 6, carry 3, you know. Then 6 times 3 is 18. Plus the 3 is 21. So you record it this way. Which means that this will give us 6 raised to power 3, which is 216 multiplied by 3. So let me just still show how the working here. 3 times 216. That's what we get from here. Then plus, this is 2 times 6 raised to power 2 is 36. So 2 times 36. Then plus 4 times 6. Because 6 raised to power 1 will give us 6. And then lastly, plus 5 times 1. 5 times 1. Because 6 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 5 will give us 5 times 1. Okay, so we'll look at this now and work them out. Let's come to this side of the board. So I'll have to wipe this. Okay, now what do we have? 3 times 216. We are going to multiply 216 by 3. Can we work it out and see? 3245 base 6 will now give us equal to, are you ready? 3 times this 6 will give us 18. You can write it out and do the multiplication. The choice is yours. 3 times 6 will give us 18. So you write 8 and carry 1. Let me work it out. 8 and carry 1. Okay, then 3 times 1 will give us 3. Plus the 1 you carried will give us 4. So this comes under tens. And then 3 times, this is 100 digits. That's 100 place value. 3 times 2 will give us 6. So I'm going to put 6 here. which means 3 times 216 will give us 648. Come up to this and then add it up to 2 times 36 would give us 72. So we'll have 72 there, plus the next is 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24, then plus 5 times 1, and 5 times 1 will give us 5. So this is going to be plus 5. Now that gives us 3245 base 6 to be equal to, if you add up this, what would you get? So let us see, this plus this would give us 710, alright, the 720. We can work it out and see. That's why you learned all of this from basic level of your education, how to add using place values. Okay, so we go. This is a unit digit, this is unit digit, so you add them. This unit, this unit, this unit, this unit also. So I can do 5 plus 4, you get 9. 9 plus 2, you get 11. 11 plus 8, you get 19. So it's going to be, write 9, carry 1. You go to the tens, add that one to the tens place value. There is no tens place value here, so you forget about this. Come here, there is a tens. The tens is this 2. Add the one you carry from that 19 to this 2, you get 3. Add the 3 to this tens value, you get 10, because 3 plus 7 will give you 10. Okay, add that 10 to this tens place value. 10 plus 4 here will give us 14. So you write 4 and carry what? 1. That one you moved, you add it to the 100 place value now. This is 6, so if you add 1 to it, you get 7. This is 749. So I have converted 3245 base 6 to a number in base 10. But this is not my answer yet. If you convert, which is your first step, convert from the given base to base 10. So we got 749. Then next, which is the last step, convert 749 base 10 to the required base. And the required base is base 9. So let us find x now to base 9. Once I convert this to base 9, the answer I get will now be the value of x. So how do I convert from base 10 to base 9? Remember, successive division using this base 9. So I'll draw my line like this, 749. I'll draw the other one, which is our remainder column. I'm going to use 9 to divide all through. So let us go. You have 7 here. This 9 cannot divide 7, so you attach this 4. You get 74. 9 can go into 74 how many times? Alright, from multiplication table of 9, 9 can go into 74 8 times. That 8 times will give you 72. So remainder will be 2. So this will be 8 times remainder 2. Attach the 2 here because there is a number you've not divided. Are you getting me right? I've just divided 74. It gave me 8 times remainder 2. I will attach the 2 here. Let me attach it with blue marker. I will attach the 2 here. So you have 29. 9 can go into 29 how many times? 3 times will give you 27. All of this is about 9 times table now, okay? In 9 times table, 9 times 3 will give you 27. Alright? 9 times 4 will give you 36. 29 you are dividing is between that 27 and 36. So you pick the smaller number, which is 27. So how many times will 9 go into 27? 3 times. So it means that 9 can go into 29 3 times. That 3 times is 27. The remainder will be what? 2. There is no other digit to attach the remainder, so you bring it under here, remainder 2. Please, dear students, work on your multiplication table. If you are not completely good at multiplication table for now, please set it as a goal. Let it be a goal. Practice your multiplication table every day. Is that okay? Within 1 week, you are very good in it already if you are consistent. That's if you continue to do that. Let's move on. We have 9, again going into 83. 9 can divide 83 how many times? From 9 times table, you find out that it can go into 83 9 times. That 9 times is 81 because 9 times 9 is 81. But you are dividing 83. So the remainder will be what? 2. 9 can go into 83 9 times remainder 2. So you put the 2 here. Are you following? We move on again. 9 can divide 9 1 time. There will be no remainder. So you put remainder 0. 9 can divide 9 completely 1 time. No remainder, so you put 0 here. Again, 9 can go. You have 1 divided by 9. Can 9 divide 1? No. So it will be 0. Remainder will still be what? 1. This one you transfer it as a remainder. Now what have we done? Let's pick our answer upward as usual. Now this simply means that 749 base 10, if you convert it to base 9, your answer will be 1022. So I'll write that here. 749 base 10 is equal to 1022 base 10. Oh no, base 9 rather. Base 9. So you succeeded to convert 3245 base 6 to base 9. And what it gave to you is 1022. So we conclude. Therefore, 3245 base 6 equal to x base 9. Alright. The value of our x will give us 1022 base 9. The value of x will give us 1022. 1022. That's the value of x. In fact, let me wipe this base because it is just x that they say we should find. X is 1022. So if you are converting 3245 base 6 to base 9, the number you are going to get, which the question told us, let us take it as x. That x is 1022. Answer. So that is how we convert from one base to another base, which is not base 10. In our next class, I'll be teaching you how to carry out operations like addition, subtraction, and multiplication of number system. Until then, do have a wonderful time. When you receive your assignment, please make sure you do the assignment and submit when due.